It is late March, and it's not unexpected that in Omaha, Nebraska, I saw the weather report that there'd be rain today, but was unexpected. I wasn't expecting, with this being not the last day of March, but the day before the last day of March is snow. Now, even though I don't expect this to remain on the ground because the temperature isn't going to be cold enough for it to remain on the ground. It's cold enough to snow, but I don't expect it to remain on the ground because temperature for, even if the temperature is cold for the last day of March, temperatures aren't going to be cold enough for most days or maybe all days of April. But still amazed that this is the day before, that on March 30th, the day before the last day of March, there's snow. Doesn't exactly show up the best, but there is. Well, there was. I was seeing snow before I left the house. Now it looks like it appears it's changed to rain. So, want to see a video with active rain? This is a video, not with the best quality, but with active rain. And maybe you can hear it. As you can see, the Ford Explorer, that's wet.